Where are you going? Are those your new shoes?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Do you like them?
Yeah.
They're pretty cute. Can you say, hi, Nana?
Hi, Nana.
Can you say, hi, Papa?
Hi, Papa.
Say, I love you. You're certainly getting your exercise.
Yeah.
Are those like good dancing shoes? Can you dance for me? Can you dance? Wow. Oh, you gonna tie your shoelaces? Oh, it's okay.
I need to tie it.
You need to tie it? Okay. Is that what Daddy does in the morning? Does he tie his shoes?
Can you not hear me? This is serious, son. When you carry this out.
Okay, let's say bye-bye on our video.